Hello world, I will share it with you the ways on how to have a good sleep and its benefits. Enjoy watching. Establish a bedtime routine. Consistency helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or meditating. Create a comfortable sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is cool, quiet, and dark. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Try to avoid screens at least an hour before bedtime. Watch what you eat and drink. Avoid heavy meals. Caffeine and alcohol close to bedtime. These can disrupt sleep patterns. Manage stress. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation to calm your mind before bed. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help improve sleep quality, but try to avoid vigorous exercise close to bedtime. Stick to a sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, to regulate your body's internal clock. Limit naps. If you nap during the day, keep it short, around 20 to 30 minutes, and avoid napping late in the afternoon. By incorporating these habits into your nightly routine, you can increase the likelihood of having a restful night's sleep.
Thank you, my future shines so bright.